Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Wish you all the best. Let's work out full body conditioning for today. Keep moving. Sunny days, quite warm outside. Let's work. Let's start first with something very simple. Leg square. Drive your hip back, lower back straight. Place your arms on your knees, and from here we will rotate our pelvis forward and back. Inhale, exhale. Let's drive. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arch good when you drive back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Good one. Right leg forward, left leg back. Bring your arms behind your head. From here we will bend slowly our knees. Your left touch the ground and we drive forward and back. If you can do this way, you can do more far away. Bring your right leg more far away. Inhale, exhale. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep working. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold couple of seconds. 3, 2, 1, and back. Inhale deeply, switch side. Here we go. Left one forward, right leg back. Bring your arms behind and slowly we start to drive forward, down and forward. Inhale, exhale. Keep working and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. 3, 2, 1, and back up. Good one. Inhale deeply, exhale. We continue. Open your legs wider, toes rotate towards the side. From here we will slowly bend your right. We'll start bending our right leg with your left arm. You touch your toe, grab your heel, then you flex back your right leg and open, and you back up and switch sides. First you bend, you grab, and you flex. And here we go. We are doing 5 times each side. Inhale, exhale, and flex. Keep working. 3, 4, 5. Last one. Good, and hold. From here, keep your back straight, lengthening for the spine. We are forwarding, working only from our hips. 1, and back. 2, go ahead. 3, good job. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10, and hold. Left arm goes on the ground, right arm exhale. Open up. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and switch. Inhale. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your arms towards the side. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here we start bending our right leg. Keep your left leg straight. Drive your toes up and hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the middle. And we switch side. Bend your left knee. Rotate your right leg. Keep your leg straight and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We slowly back again. Bend your right leg. Now bring your left on the ground. Right leg on the ground. Inhale deeply and fall forward. Exhale. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Switch side. Drive your right knee up. Push up. Switch. Bend your left leg. Right goes on the ground. Knee goes on the ground. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Fall forward. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then slowly back up. Up. Good job. From here we are rotating only our left leg. Keep your right leg same. Left arm drives towards the floor. Right arm up. Triangle pose. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, warrior. You bend your left leg forward. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly up. Inhale deeply. Back to the middle. Exhale. Switch side. Rotate only your right. Good. Then your right palm drives on the ground. Left exhale. Up. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then slowly bend your right knee. Warrior forward. And hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back up. Good job. Sit down. Relax your legs. We will start working with our upper body. First, put your palms on the ground from here. I will do back to you because I want you to see how I am working with my upper body. So first, what we're going to do, we're pushing our body up, right? We are raising our butt off the ground, and from here we are driving just down and up, down and up. What I want you to do, I want you to contract your upper body, shoulder blades, shoulders, and then relax. Contract and relax. Let's work. We'll do 20 times. Push up. Here we go. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Push. And relax. 2, 3, 4. As high as possible. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. Butt is not touching the ground. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Sit down first. Open your arms towards the side. Keep your lower back straight. I'm bending my legs, as you can see. Open your leg, open your arms wider. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Then place your palms wider a little bit than before. And we are doing same. We will push up and relax down. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Push up. 1 and relax. 2 and relax. 3, 4, 5, 6. Push higher. 7, 8, 9, 10. And hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Good job. Okay, we continue. Lie down on your back. Rotate your pelvis, drive your back up. Hold here for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Raise your upper body. Inhale first. Exhale. Place your arms behind. Bend your legs. From here, we'll push our butt up, raising our left leg forward, opening forward, and back down, and then switch side and down. Here we go. Inhale. We do 12 times 6 on each leg. Inhale. Keep your arms straight. Exhale. Let's work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1 more. And release. Release, relax. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. 1 more set. Arms drives back. Get ready, bend your legs. Chest forward, and here we go. 12 times. Inhale. Exhale, starting with the right leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Good. Release. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Awesome. We continue. Arms on the ground, knees on the ground. Rotate your leg, rotate your pelvis. Then from here, what we're going to do first, we'll raise our knees off the ground. From here, we're going to kick with your leg first back, and at the same time go to down facing dog and back up, and then we'll switch side. Kick and then back up. 20 times. Let's work. Inhale first deeply. Here we go, starting from the left kick. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your hips square. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. We continue elbow plank. Legs together. Raise your left leg and just hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then switch right and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Legs together, arms towards the chest. From here we drive our butt up. You can open them a little bit if you want. Here we go. And 10 times. 1, drive a hip forward. 2, go ahead. 3, 4, squeeze your butt. 5, 6, 10 times. 7, awesome. 8, 9, 10, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Good one. Inhale deeply. Exhale. We're finishing with last one, plank position. We're gonna do one arm down facing dog. Our right arm touches our toe, and we back up, and we switch, and we back up. Inhale. We do 20 times. Inhale. Here we go. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 1, 10 more. 2, good job. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. Hold down facing dog. 9, 10, and down facing dog. Legs together. Hold here. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Good one. That's it. Nice and easy one for today. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Stay strong. Keep moving. Peace.